The US-Russia relationship is fraught with tension, particularly over Ukraine. President Trump appears conflicted about imposing sanctions on Russia. He seems to recognize the potential ineffectiveness of these measures. Yet, he faces pressure from both domestic and international fronts. Russia remains steadfast in its objectives in Ukraine. President Putin outlined these goals in a speech on June 14, 2024. The US president's frustration is palpable. He feels constrained by the hardline stance of the US Senate, which largely supports Senator Lindsey Graham's severe sanctions. Graham's proposed sanctions are stringent. They include a 500% tariff on goods from countries trading with Russia. This proposal has significant bipartisan support, with over 80 co-sponsors in the Senate. The sanctions aim to exert economic pressure on Russia, potentially impacting its economy significantly. The US Senate plays a crucial role in shaping foreign policy. Its decisions on sanctions can influence global markets and international trade. The Senate's actions are often framed in terms of promoting human rights and democratic values. This approach is evident in the proposed sanctions against Russia. The geopolitical landscape is further complicated by secretive diplomatic efforts. Secretary of State Marco Rubio disclosed a mysterious meeting between US and Russian officials. This meeting aimed to explore potential peace settlements in Ukraine. However, the Russians remained unyielding in their positions. The US has maintained diplomatic relations with Russia since 1991. However, relations have deteriorated significantly since Russia's annexation of Crimea in 2014. The US and its allies have imposed extensive sanctions on Russia in response to its actions in Ukraine. The sanctions have had a substantial economic impact on Russia. They contributed to a reduction in the value of the Russian ruble and worsened the economic impact of the 2022 invasion of Ukraine. Russia's finance minister reported that sanctions cost the country $40 billion, with additional losses due to falling oil prices. Despite these challenges, Russia has responded with its own countermeasures. It imposed a total ban on food imports from several Western countries. This move further strained economic relations between Russia and the West. The US continues to support Ukraine through military aid and diplomatic backing. This support provides Ukraine with leverage in negotiations with Russia. The US's influence on Ukraine's negotiation strategies is part of a broader strategy to contain Russian expansionism. The geopolitical situation remains fluid. The US and Russia have exchanged new ideas for peace talks, indicating ongoing diplomatic efforts. However, the path to a resolution remains uncertain. The US president's attempts to navigate this complex landscape reflect the broader challenges of US-Russia relations. In conclusion, the US-Russia tensions over Ukraine are a complex interplay of diplomacy, sanctions, and geopolitical strategy. The US Senate's role in shaping foreign policy is critical, as is the ongoing diplomatic engagement between the US and Russia. The situation remains dynamic, with potential implications for global markets and international relations.